You know this E you cannot hear. It can make a vowel man appear. This silent magic E sends magic sparks right over one letter to make a vowel man appear.
These magic sparks make me appear and say my name. E.
Story. Look, here is silent magic E shooting magic onto Mr. E. What do you say, Mr. E?
When silent magic E appears, I say my name. E. Say it with me. E.
In this scene, can you see the athletes? Mr. E shows the scores as the athletes compete. Mr. E's brother deletes the scores when the games are complete.
So let's see some words with long sound E and magic E. And the first word is complete. Complete. Complete is the same like finish. When you need to finish some work, you complete the work. Complete. And the next word is delete. Delete. What does it mean, delete? In computer, you often can use this word. For example, if I have a flower and I want to erase it, take it away, I delete the flower. I deleted the flower. So, delete. It means erase or take away. And the next word is scene. Scene is a picture. Picture with nature, with landscape, with someone. So this is scene. Scene is the same like a picture. And the next word is athlete. 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 Do you know sport? Do you do any sport? So, athlete is a person who makes sport. He can run, he can jump well. So this is athlete, a sportman who is doing sport, running and jumping, for example. So this is athlete. And the next word is compete. Compete. Do you know the word competition? When people see who is better or who is faster, they compete. Compete and competition are the word competition comes from the word compete. When people are running all together to see who will be faster, like a race, they compete in a competition. So this is long sound E and magic E. Compete. Compete. Okay, and now let's move to our book and to the exercises. So open your books on page 70 and 71. And as usual, we are making exercises with star stickers. And first, the word complete. Complete. So find the girl that is running and she completes her race. So circle the girl that completes her race and stick the star to the word complete. The next word is delete. Delete. So look here, the man deletes the scores from the board. Delete. So circle him and put the star to the word delete. The next word is seen. This letter C is silent. We don't read it anyhow, and magic E in the end is also silent. So we read only seen, seen. So all these part of picture can be seen like a picture. So stick the star, take the star sticker and stick the star to the picture and to the word seen. The next word is athlete, athlete, athlete. So find the athletes in the big story picture. Here they are running. So, and then circle them and stick the star to the word athlete. And the last one, compete, compete. The same athletes that are running, they compete. They want to see who is faster, who is stronger. So they compete in the competition. So circle, we already circled them. So just put the star sticker, and that's all for today.